Hey everyone, today we're going to replace the blower motor in a 2011 Dodge Ram. This is 2500. Imagine they're pretty much the same, if not all the same, for multiple years. So this will cover you, I'm sure. The reason I'm repairing mine is this hamster wheel here squeaks, which is annoying, which I'm sure its bearings dry, and it's also got a bit of a vibration. So to pull it out is pretty easy. There's 3 Phillips screws right here, and the 2-prong connector there. And we'll do another connector because the wire passes over top, which you'll see. I got a light here so you guys can see better with what I'm doing. Now I'll just try and set the camera up so you can see as well. Alright, hopefully you guys can see what's going on here. First thing I'm going to do is undo this connector right here. I'll try and do it with my finger. Yeah, that's an easy one. Like that. Now the other one I want to undo is back here, just because the wire crosses up underneath the blower motor. We'll get it completely out of the way. Now what I want to do is take out these 3 screws. And there's one here. Just checking it out now. They aren't Phillips, they're Torx. I gotta grab a Torx screwdriver. Alright, we got the proper driver now. And if you're curious, that is a T25. And one more, inconveniently placed. One at the back. But it's not too bad. This thing's already starting to fall out. That's a good sign. There we go. So here's my oldie. Actually doesn't sound too bad out of there. It does have noise to it. Let's go ahead and throw our new one in there. So here's our new one. There we go. That actually clips into place to hold it while you put your screws back in. Don't forget our electrical connections. We'll put this back one in first. Plug this into our blower motor. And that is done. It's as easy as that, which is amazing. Now we get the satisfaction of testing it out. Oh, that's way better. That sounds so much better. And it's successfully installed. Very happy with the results. Definitely something you can do yourself. I mean, you'd be like 15-20 minutes at the most, and you'd save yourself an hour's labor at the garage, I'm sure. So hopefully this helps you do this yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next repair video.